Girl Rosita here, back with another video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you can create a cheap blinged out piggy bank for just $5. Everything you'll need to create this piggy bank you can find at your local dollar store, Dollarama, or Dollar Tree, whatever you guys call it. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the stuff that we need to make the piggy bank. So we of course need a piggy bank. This is my piggy bank. I got it for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. And now the crystals. I got this at Dollarama for $2. And then we need some super glue. I got it for $1.25. That's all we need for this video. Now let's get right into the video and start blinging this piggy bank. Alright guys, so first I'm gonna use a sticky stick. I forgot to show you guys before. I'm just gonna stick the crystal, then I'm gonna put some glue, just enough to, not too much, just enough to get it stick onto the piggy bank, just like so. And then I'm gonna just do the same for all of them. Some glue and just stick it on. Like that.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Guys, so this is the finished product. It's actually really pretty. So while I was doing it, I had to ditch this stupid stick because it wasn't working for me. So I end up taking Vaseline, putting it on my fingers, then sticking it on the crystal. Put the glue on the crystal, then stick it onto this. So it took me about an hour and a half to finish this, but yeah, I think it's really pretty. Alright, that's it for this video. See you guys in the next video. And don't you forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye!